Hello folks, just out for a ride on a beautiful summer evening, very warm, 1st of June, oh glorious, look at it, 6 o'clock, lovely and warm. Just want to go and look at what I think is a memorial, a river bridge, Blatters River Bridge. So I've ridden by it hundreds of times but I never stopped, so this time I'm going to stop and have a look. Got a church. Over the railway line. Poacher. SaveCable.com. Going to build lots of houses out here. Beautiful countryside. Blatters Holiday Complex. Very expensive holidays. Fields of green, 2,500 houses. Oh. Bend. Right, that is River Bridge. I wonder if I can park anywhere. particular place. Right, ah, there it is. Oh well, near this bridge 30 hop pickers were drowned in the River Medway in a tragic accident on the 20th of October 1853. They are buried in St Mary's Churchyard, Hadlow. 30? The river's not that deep, is it? Wow. Perhaps it is, or perhaps it's so overgrown you can't get out. What happens here? Where does this take us? That's a bit steep. I've been here hundreds of times, well over, but never stopped. Never. Nothing underneath to run into and puncture then?
No.
Being a blow-up boat.
Over there, but there were other.
Oh, we've got one that bit of wire, yeah.
Yeah, there were other people in front of us, so when we launched, so we could see what they did.
Oh, it's quite wide here, the river.
Yeah, no, it's lovely.
It's quite lovely, yeah.
Further up, there's lots of locks and children, young people swimming and picnicking, and really nice.
Yeah, what a beautiful spot.
Yeah.
What I can see, what it's such a beautiful spot. This. Why I've never stopped here before. There we are. There's my bike. One arm blowed. Wow. I could have come up there. Would have been a bit of a climb though, a bit steep. Might have fallen. Wow. Yes. Oh, paddle boarding. Oh, dog on the back. Oh, I can hear a Spitfire in distance. Oh, sports car. Oh, just the evening for it. Proper water dog there. Absolutely beautiful. Right, but there you go. All this time I've never stopped to look. Glad I have now. So this is the Westerham Flyer at Latters Bridge, signing out.